Hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, we'll show you how to get the TikTok Blue Badge. So it's a very simple process, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now the first method we are going to try is the official application route. TikTok has actually added a direct button for this in the settings, but it can be really hidden, so here is how to find it. Firstly, go ahead and open your TikTok application, then tap on your profile at the bottom right-hand corner. After that, once you're on this page, click on the hamburger option or the three lines at the top right, and then simply click on Settings and Privacy. And after that, simply select Account. And right over here is the moment of truth. Look for an option that says Verification or Request Verification right under the Password section. If you see that button, simply tap on it and TikTok will guide you through the form where you need to submit proof of identity and useful links to news articles about you. After you have submitted it, they typically respond via email within 3 to 4 days. Now, if you don't see the button, don't worry. This is a common issue, and many users have reported it as well. We just need to go to the support center instead. So here is the workaround. Go back to the Settings and Privacy menu. Then scroll down till you find a section called Support over here. Just simply tap on it. And over here, in the Support section, simply tap on Report a Problem. Now on this page, scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Chat with Us. This should open a support ticket, and in the text box, you can search for How to Get Verified to see the official requirements. So just let me type it right over here. And then simply send the message and wait for the response. As you can see, it'll give you a response in an online form that you can fill. So just simply click on the online form and select a browser. Now wait for a few seconds, and then you should be able to see your verification form that you can submit over here. Follow the same process that I told you before. Add the email address, username, and helpful information. Then upload any relevant documents like your identity verification. Once you do that, just simply click on Submit, and then they will contact you within 3 to 4 days. Now, once they contact you and they have verified your identity, only then will they ask you for your social media handles for other social media applications or any articles where you have been mentioned. Once that happens, then they will approve your verification, and after that, you are good to go. So that's it. You now know the 2 main ways you can start your journey towards getting verified on TikTok. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.